You following me? Want to smoke a joint? You got a light?
Here is the site where a murder occurred a year ago. The victim was found with both his cell phone and his wallet, so the police ruled out robbery. The investigation is still open, but police have no meaningful leads. The autopsy indicated a hammer was used to kill the victim. Witnesses at the bar said the victim was wearing a cowboy hat. No hat was found at the murder site.
Darling, have you ever asked yourself, who am I? Where am I going?
I don't wonder much.
You go ahead.
Can you tell me something that would not destroy you forever and ever?
Forgetting.
Are you supporting some strange obsession?
I just want to make sense.
I'm ready to go now.
Glad I'm talking to you, right?
If you've done something wrong, it has to be a mistake that you've made once. Hot damn it. You weren't there. I've been to Berlin, and now I'm by the roadway. I can look up and go there again, into the wild gray, haze-clouded sky, jets roaring. There's a line of concertina wire meandering over the river, and off in the distant grief, an aluminum spire, and there's the torn cathedral, and there's the green grass minefield.
I ain't been to Berlin, old man.
Don't interrupt, please.
Well, what's going on for your night?
I'm going to be available.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Or a two-step, and you want to go play some pool? What's up?
It might sound a little weird to you.
Right.
I really want to see the spot where that body was found. Could be fun.
Finish these drinks, and we'll have a walk and talk and check it out.
You sound excited.
Have some time.
Cheers.
Here. Yeah,